Welcome back to my All Old Rare Coins channel, coin collectors and history enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of one of America's most iconic coins, the U.S. Liberty Quarter Dollar, minted between 1792 and 2001. This remarkable piece of currency has a rich history, intricate designs, and, in some cases, an astonishing value. If you're lucky enough to own one of these rare quarters, you might just be holding a small fortune in your hands. Stay with us until the very end, where we'll reveal just how much one of these incredible coins could be worth today. The Liberty Quarter Dollar has seen many changes over the years, reflecting the growth and transformation of the United States itself. Since its inception in the late 18th century, this coin has gone through multiple design updates, each representing a different era in American history. The first quarters were struck in 1796, featuring the draped bust design, followed by the capped bust, seated Liberty, Barber, standing Liberty, and the Washington quarter that is still used today. Each of these designs tells a story, capturing the spirit of the nation at that time. One of the most beloved designs was the standing Liberty quarter, minted from 1916 to 1930. This stunning coin features Lady Liberty standing tall, holding a shield in one hand and an olive branch in the other, symbolizing both strength and peace. However, this design was replaced in 1932 by the Washington quarter, which was introduced to commemorate the 200th anniversary of George Washington's birth. The Washington quarter became so popular that it remained in circulation long after the anniversary had passed, evolving over the years into different variations, including the Bicentennial Quarter of 1976 and the State Quarter series that began in 1999. Collectors are always on the lookout for rare and valuable versions of the Liberty Quarter Dollar. While many of these coins are common and still found in everyday circulation, certain years, mint marks, and errors can make some of them highly sought after. Coins that were minted in smaller quantities or have unique features, such as double strikes, misprints, or off-center designs, are especially desirable. The condition of the coin is also crucial. Coins in uncirculated or proof condition can fetch much higher prices than those that have been heavily used. Among the most valuable Liberty Quarter Dollars are early draped bust and capped bust quarters, which are extremely rare today. Even some 20th century quarters can be worth a fortune, especially if they were minted with silver content before 1965. After 1965, the U.S. Mint switched to a copper-nickel composition, making pre-1965 quarters significantly more valuable due to their silver content alone. Another factor that affects a coin's value is the mint mark. Different U.S. mints produced quarters over the years, and some mint marks are rarer than others. Coins struck in Philadelphia, Denver, San Francisco, and even New Orleans at certain times all have different values depending on the year and production numbers. Certain low mintage years, like the 1932D and 1932S Washington quarters, are highly sought after by collectors. Some of the most valuable Liberty quarters ever sold have fetched astonishing prices at auctions. Whether due to their rarity, historical significance, or minting errors, these coins can command tens of thousands of dollars from dedicated collectors. If you have an old quarter lying around, it's worth checking to see if it has any of these valuable characteristics. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for. If you happen to own one of the rarest Liberty Quarter Dollars in exceptional condition, it could be worth an incredible $45,000. That's right, this small piece of American history could be worth a life-changing amount of money. Now, we're taking a closer look at a modern yet fascinating piece of American coinage, the 2014 U.S. Liberty Quarter Dollar. This quarter, part of the America the Beautiful series, may seem like just another coin in your pocket, but some of these quarters hold incredible value. In fact, if you're lucky enough to find a rare version, it could be worth far more than you'd expect. Stay with us until the very end, where we'll reveal just how much one of these rare quarters could be worth today. The U.S. Mint introduced the America the Beautiful Quarters program in 2010, celebrating the nation's most iconic national parks and historical sites. These quarters were minted in Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco, each carrying a special design representing a different location in the United States. The 2014 P Liberty Quarter Dollar is part of this series, featuring unique designs that make it stand out among regular quarters. In 2014, the U.S. Mint released 5 different designs, each honoring a national park or historical site. These included Great Smoky Mountains National Park in Tennessee, Shenandoah National Park in Virginia, Arches National Park in Utah, Great Sand Dunes National Park in Colorado, and Everglades National Park in Florida. Each of these designs captures the beauty and significance of these locations, making them a favorite among collectors. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2014 P Liberty Quarter Dollar is the possibility of finding rare errors and high-grade specimens. Minting errors occur when a mistake happens during the production process, and these errors can make a coin extremely valuable. Some of the most sought-after errors include double dies, off-center strikes, missing letters, or unusual metal compositions. Collectors love these unique variations because they make a coin one of a kind, and their rarity significantly increases their value. Another key factor in determining a coin's worth is its condition. Coins that have been well preserved, kept in protective cases, or found in uncirculated rolls are worth much more than those that have been heavily used. Grading agencies like the Professional Coin Grading Service, PCGS, and the Numismatic Guarantee Corporation, NGC, evaluate coins based on their condition, with the highest graded coins commanding the highest prices. A 2014 P quarter in pristine condition, with no scratches or signs of wear, can fetch a surprisingly high amount in the collector's market. If you have a 2014 P quarter, check the mint mark located on the obverse side of the coin, right next to George Washington's portrait. The P stands for the Philadelphia Mint, where millions of these quarters were produced. While many of them are common, a select few with rare errors or perfect conditions are highly valuable. Now, for the part you've been waiting for. If you happen to own a rare 2014 P Liberty Quarter Dollar in exceptional condition, it could be worth an astonishing $16,000. That's right, this seemingly ordinary quarter could turn out to be an incredible treasure. Next coin, we're diving into the fascinating world of the 2013 D US Liberty Quarter Dollar. This modern quarter might seem like just another piece of change, but some rare versions of this coin have shocked collectors with their high value. If you're lucky enough to find one in pristine condition or with a unique error, it could be worth a lot more than you think. Stay with us until the very end, where we'll reveal just how much one of these special quarters could be worth today. The 2013 D Liberty Quarter Dollar is part of the America the Beautiful Quarters program, a series that began in 2010 and ran through 2021. This program was created to celebrate the country's most breathtaking national parks and historic sites, bringing unique and artistic designs to the quarter. Each year, 5 new designs were released, each representing a different landmark in the United States. In 2013, the U.S. Mint struck quarters featuring White Mountain National Forest in New Hampshire, Perry's Victory and International Peace Memorial in Ohio, Great Basin National Park in Nevada, Fort McHenry National Monument in Maryland, and Mount Rushmore National Memorial in South Dakota. One of the most exciting aspects of this quarter is the Denver Mint's contribution. The D Mint mark on the 2013 D quarter signifies that it was minted in Denver, Colorado. While millions of these coins were produced, only a handful are considered highly valuable due to their condition, rarity, or special minting errors. Mint errors occur when mistakes happen during the coin production process, and collectors love these unique flaws because they make the coin rare and desirable. Some of the most valuable errors include double strikes, off-center minting, missing elements, and die cracks. These unusual features can turn an ordinary quarter into a prized collector's item. Beyond mint errors, the condition of a coin plays a significant role in determining its value. Collectors use a grading scale to assess coins, with the highest quality coins receiving grades like MS 65 or MS 70, meaning they are in near perfect or flawless condition. If a 2013 D quarter has been well preserved, without scratches, marks, or discoloration, it can be worth significantly more than its face value. Proof versions of these quarters, which were struck with higher precision and a special finish, are even more sought after by collectors. Another factor that increases a coin's value is its rarity. While most 2013 D quarters are common, certain low mintage versions or specific era coins have been discovered, making them extremely valuable. Some of these rare finds have gone on to sell for thousands of dollars at auctions, proving that even modern quarters can hold hidden treasures. Now, for the big reveal you've been waiting for. If you happen to own a rare 2013 D US Liberty quarter dollar in exceptional condition, it could be worth an incredible $17,500. That's right, this small piece of pocket change could turn into a major payday if you find the right one. Especially, we're exploring the incredible history and value of the US Liberty quarter dollar, specifically those minted between 1803 and 2002 with the D Mint mark. This coin has been a witness to America's transformation over 2 centuries, from the early days of the nation to the modern era. While quarters are common in everyday transactions, some of these coins are hiding in plain sight, holding incredible worth. If you have one of these rare quarters in the right condition, you might be in for a surprise. Stick around until the end, where we'll reveal just how much one of these rare quarters could be worth today. The US Liberty quarter dollar has gone through numerous design changes over the years, reflecting the evolving identity of the nation. The earliest quarters from the 1800s featured the draped bust and capped bust designs, showcasing the artistry of early American coinage. As the country expanded and modernized, new designs were introduced, including the seated Liberty quarter, which was minted from 1838 to 1891, and the Barber quarter, which ran from 1892 to 1916. One of the most beloved designs in the Liberty quarter dollar series was the Standing Liberty quarter, minted between 1916 and 1930. This stunning coin features Lady Liberty standing tall, symbolizing both strength and peace. However, this design was later replaced by the Washington quarter in 1932, commemorating the 200th anniversary of George Washington's birth. This new design proved so popular that it remained in circulation, evolving over the years with special editions, including the Bicentennial Quarter in 1976 and the State Quarter series that began in 1999. For collectors, the mint mark plays a crucial role in determining a coin's rarity and value. The D Mint mark on these quarters signifies that they were minted in Denver, Colorado. While millions of quarters were produced at the Denver Mint throughout history, not all of them are created equal. Some years had lower mintage numbers, making those quarters significantly harder to find. Additionally, certain quarters from the Denver Mint feature minting errors, which can make them even more valuable. Minting errors are one of the most exciting aspects of coin collecting. These mistakes occur during the production process, resulting in unique variations that collectors love. Some of the most sought-after errors include off-center strikes, double dies, missing elements, and die cracks. Even a small imperfection can make a coin extremely rare and desirable, sometimes increasing its value by thousands of dollars. Beyond mint errors, the overall condition of a coin is a major factor in its worth. Coins that have been well preserved, stored carefully, or found in uncirculated condition hold much higher value than those that have been heavily used. Professional grading services like the Professional Coin Grading Service, PCGS, and the Numismatic Guarantee Corporation, NGC, evaluate coins based on their condition, with the highest graded coins commanding the highest prices. A Liberty quarter dollar from the right year, with the D Mint mark and in pristine condition, could be a serious treasure. Another reason these quarters are so valuable is their metal composition. Many older quarters, especially those minted before 1965, contain silver. With rising silver prices, these coins have gained value beyond their face value. Even common silver quarters are worth much more than 25 cents simply because of their silver content. Now, for the big reveal you've been waiting for. If you happen to own a rare US Liberty quarter dollar from the right year, with the D Mint mark and in exceptional condition, it could be worth an astonishing $25,100. That's right, this small piece of American history could turn into a major payday if you find the right one. Now, we're diving into a fascinating piece of modern American coinage, the 2009 P US Liberty Quarter Dollar. While quarters are some of the most commonly used coins in the United States, certain rare and unique versions hold surprising value. If you happen to find one of these special quarters in your collection, you could be sitting on a small fortune. Stay with us until the very end, where we'll reveal just how much one of these rare coins could be worth today. The 2009 P Liberty Quarter Dollar is part of the final year of the DC and US Territories Quarters program. This special program was launched in 2009 as a follow-up to the immensely popular 50-state quarter series, which ran from 1999 to 2008. Instead of honoring states, the 2009 quarters celebrated the District of Columbia and 5 U.S. territories: Puerto Rico, Guam, American Samoa, the U.S. Virgin Islands, and the Northern Mariana Islands. Each quarter from this series features a unique design representing the culture, history, and significance of these territories. The P Mint mark on this quarter means that it was produced at the Philadelphia Mint. While millions of these quarters were struck, certain versions of the 2009 P Liberty Quarter Dollar have become highly valuable due to their condition, rarity, or minting errors. Coin collectors are always searching for coins with unusual features or those preserved in perfect, uncirculated condition. One of the biggest factors affecting a coin's value is its condition. Coins that have never been used in everyday transactions, also known as uncirculated coins, are much more valuable than worn-out ones. The highest graded coins, such as those rated MS-65 or higher by professional grading services like the Numismatic Guarantee Corporation, NGC, or the Professional Coin Grading Service, PCGS, can fetch top dollar in auctions. Minting errors also play a huge role in making a quarter extremely valuable. Errors occur when mistakes happen during the coin production process, and collectors love these rare finds. Some of the most desirable minting errors include double die errors, where design elements appear duplicated off-center strikes, where the design is misaligned, missing clad layers, exposing the inner metal core die cracks, which create unique patterns on the coin's surface. If you find a 2009 P Liberty Quarter Dollar with any of these errors, it could be worth significantly more than its face value. Even small minting variations can make a coin one of a kind, driving up its demand among collectors. Another reason some 2009 quarters are valuable is their limited mintage. While the original state quarters program had an enormous number of coins struck for each state, the DC and US Territory series had a much lower mintage. Because these coins were produced for just 1 year and in smaller quantities, finding them in high grades is much harder, increasing their rarity and market value. The metal composition of these quarters is also important to collectors. While standard quarters from this period are made from a copper-nickel blend, special proof versions were minted in 90% silver. If you have a silver-proof version of the 2009 P Liberty Quarter, it is automatically worth more than a regular quarter due to its silver content alone. Now, for the big reveal you've been waiting for. If you happen to own a rare 2009 P US Liberty Quarter Dollar in exceptional condition, or one with a unique error, it could be worth an astonishing $23,900. That's right, this seemingly ordinary quarter could be hiding incredible value. So, before you spend that next quarter, take a moment to check its details. You never know, you might just have a hidden treasure in your collection. If you enjoyed this deep dive into rare and valuable coins, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more exciting discoveries. Thanks for watching, and happy collecting.